Hi Tom, Daniel Grimes here at Lee Summit Subaru. Just wanted to do a quick walk around video of the 2011 Outback that you had inquired about, the 3.6R that we have. Sir, I can tell you that this car has been taken care of by a local dealer its entire life. From what I saw, there's a stack of service records in the back of the car. Overall condition of the exterior, I would say, is 9 out of 10, if not a 10 out of 10 for the age of the car itself. Interior overall is in good condition. The only thing that we have left to do on the interior is some front seat bolster work. My interior people will definitely get that taken care of for the next owner for sure. But the rest of the car overall is in really good condition. Right there on the bolsters, the only places that we've got to take and repair in the interior, so that'll definitely be done. Everything works as it should on the vehicle, and I can tell you that 3.6 engine as well is really strong. I own a 19 and a 3.6R, and I was sad to see it leave our lineup for 2020 in an Outback. So please give me a call at 816-251-8638. If you have any additional questions, I look forward to speaking with you soon, Tom.